normal. Una no normal. May God not let me imitate something we're not good for my life. I rebuke it. I rebuke it. When I'm watching Korra, I shed tears. I say, God, this is slavery. But people are not seeing it from my angle. They will come now and say, Mary, that's why are you jealous of them? Are you mad? You don't see your sister the way she's living in America? You don't see your sister is stressed up. Looking for a view every now and then for that Oyibo man. Nobody is saying anything. Because it's social media. You people have to use your number 36. You can help with your comments. You can help with talking to her. She go come know what she go do next. But all of you now, they say, we love you, Korra. You are loving a junkie. She's dying gradually. Your own sister, Mumu. Oswald. I not hate her. I not hate Korra at all. In fact, I just pity for her. Because she's not living well. Me, Mary Edos, if she dey hear me, me dey pity for you, babe. You know what I dey talk. If she hear this video and she go shock. She'll say, who is this? Now maybe Mary Edos, my dear. If you want to come by expression here, they say. You go say you be natural. Which natural? Na natural, that girl go just natural, January to December. Only more than. Nyamu agbori akware. Of your can my role model. Na bad thing. Na something way not good. Na be na role model. Something way good. Na be villager. Iniquities. Look at them. Lolo. You see you na social media now you go just date you go old. That one na short banker. You just do short. Whoever mugwa. Tomorrow I go see him for TikTok. I say, oh, le pute. Chai! Sorrow, Lolo. Tomorrow I go see him for the other side. See your life, see your life. Shame on you. You see that girl that you are calling the bush girl, that priceless? Now you fair come Euro before her. She just a come. As she dey cause her, she go use your insult, to the wise. She'll come better pass you. You see they do TikTok for TikTok. You see they shake me for TikTok. That pikin, that girl, price that's what they call so send a bush girl. She'll come better pass you. God mark my word, you are a fool. Don't you know that when you are talking to people, if the person is intelligent, she will try to do something so that to shame you. You don't know? With the sell expression here, yes. My fresh boss, la wo. We not twen me mama. We not tie me na. Oje 50,000 naira me. Me mari mi yen rik mo me. La wo fresh boss. You need the igual twen la ho wo. Atun no Italy, please. La ho. So una dey hear me, Una not dey shame for social media. Una not dey shame at all. For me, I know just will come out, Come say, hey, Lolo, say as you be, I big pass you, I know the one. I know if you say, Monica, I can't, yes, no, you were. But when I go see any of them mess up, now me, I can't really deal with that person. Because you know, the slippers where I take match for grand. Yes! Now make me, I will feel beat you, nyaga. What? They just want to spoil social media. Spoil everything. Something way good, don't say not good. Something way not good, don't say good. You see priceless or put to top for Facebook. Come the stretch. You see and say priceless doing. You dey craze? Oswald. Why you go to say person way just they show it to every blessed day. Now I come better pass priceless. Awagbuwa. That fence Austin. I will get boy, I will get father. Now the same thing now. Adulterous. Welcome. Maybe they forget myself. I be they forget myself. I don't know, say, now Austin, side chicken. Now they talk. Me not know, say, now the same thing like the Korra. Why you not go journal? Nonsense and ingredients. If Enogie wife wears swimming pants, common swimming pants, can't do stretch, can't do exercise, she be everywhere go boss on Facebook. Awa, Edo, God forbid, useless Enogie wife, the other one. But when Korra, they do one now, they open toto, even the red one, that red thing where they inside Korra toto, then they see him. You say good. You say it's a celebrity. Wa ne, madam. Oh wow, whoa, get lolo no mama. Oh wow, whoa. See, see this Facebook, we're not supposed to watch Lolo. Make she just remove makeup, she be like pig. Make Lolo wash makeup, come out. You run, oh, you run past house. Pimples up on a row. Oh yeah, buku. Lolo, may you come now, may you come reply me now. May the Edos is calling. Idiot. Away. Pimples wa me pimples si wa we Lolo, My goodness. Very ugly thing. I never see person way ugly rich Lolo for my life. Since when I call this life. Since when mama born me. Oh God. May I so rest in peace. I never see person way ugly like Lolo. You are talking. A Lolo ugly be wa gun. Iji. Okay, what makeup? Me agage idu ahia o me. Is this Lolo or no? Is this Lolo or no? Oh yeah, wanna. Don't be juju be that. Not be juju be that. After when Lolo go just clean makeup. Hey, pig. Elede. Be me nive saga. We are saga. What have a hurry? No need to say. What is the saga for that one? Oh, Korra, no, ye na gilo ye viok bo. Me baba. Eto gwati e bono vie wo. Awo vie winye e bush. Oh, only neni agi new of American or de mwe. Ogie celebrity. Wazua. Hey, may I tell you, even you will be Lolo. Me prefer you past Korra. Yes. Not because say I the verse for you, say all these live presenters, all these those spies space, I love all of them. Now me the talker, me the dosi. Yes, now me the talker. They go to talk say they don't spoil the video, they don't yamwedoria. They analyze issue. It good. What of that one where they just use drug, they spoil the life Korra? Oh, you bore. Oh no, what? They just use drug, spoil person life. But now we the share them. Thank God said not be Benin girl. God forbid. She can never be a Benin girl. You know, a Benin girl is like, but not I ever on Niak Bain worry. Ulu loyal line worry. And I do a saga. Obienena. Ulu loyal line worry. Anya mono mag pants. Lucky wewa. Yeah, the cause the top of social media. Husband say he go flat. What is the day again what they want flat put? I thought you know your talk. Me why you be me ya turn yourself gbeso. Why one year was the boy. Because I da. Then I she said on me. Your wife Kwekus. Is in a dagma demi. Ebenya. Ebo dan. There is no need to say that your wife fled because everybody is fucking your wife. Because your wife is opening her leg. It's not even anything for me. Do you hear me? Ikpotokin. My de liking ya. My wife is flirting. Your wife that is opening leg every day. Your wife that is half naked. The wife that is naked every day. Ah, na Igbo. Na Igbo, Korra na Igbo. Agbe mewa. Na Igbo. Edo can never do a thing like that. Never. Never. For what? You not go enter Edo again. If they catch na Kenya don't take bitter for Edo State. I swear. If you say you be Edo pikin, Can't try all those nonsense. Continue. Just continue. May you and go bini. Nyaga boy. The kind eye where does they look you on yourself? You know yourself. But one country where they one seven they call Igbo, they don't they get awa. For Igbo land, senior brother fi marry senior brother wife. Brother fi marry senior brother wife if that brother die. They not get awa. So I don't know why Edo people they promote them. Some Edo people, you are a fool. How can you be promoting something like that? Let Igbo people promote their thing. Let Igbo promote their thing. Igbo people like good things, so. Igbo people, they like good thing, I know. They like also all those blue film. Igbo, they like blue film. Edo, never. We not like blue film. Oyibo, Austin, Justin, you see what your wife is doing on social media, opening her leg very wide like this with the Edo, never. It's abomination. So you see this thing that you are saying right now that your wife flirts on you. That's why you want to divorce. I bet come on for you. It's your problem. Your wife, everybody have been fucking your wife on social media because when she will just open it, do you know how many people that are doing soapy with it? Do you know how many people that are doing soapy with your leg, especially if you just open the leg? Wow! They will just pause it. They will just be shaking it with shampoo. They will just come. They will just come. So it's not news that Korra flirts. It's not news. You did not. It's a lie, self. You are planning it. You are a criminal, my brother. What is my brother? You are not my brother. God forbid. How can you be my brother? You are James. Who be this one? Who be this one? This one say, James, shut up. I beg, get that. Why won't you say that I should stop talking trash? If it's a door woman that is opening Toto like that, you this Igbo nere mandu, una go come out, come they say, Edo. See your Igbo sister. Say, una culture no good. Una culture is, you have to be banished from Nigeria. Igbo have the most useless culture in Nigeria. You don't have a war. You fuck your brother. You fuck your sister. It's not good though. We have a war though. You see, we talk on social media. We can talk, we can analyze. We can analyze, see? That be our work. But we not do our war. You not go see us. Me, Mary Edos, how you wear pant and bra? How you come to stretch my leg? Hey! It take me like though. I will not enter Edos state again. James, I will block you. I easily block, be writing. I will not know that my own is finished. First of all, they will your first warn me. Mary Edos, if you continue with this your pant and bra where they open your leg, not that be again. I was going. Yeah, I find but Igbo people, they don't have tradition. Igbo don't have tradition. Yoruba don't have tradition. I think, but Edo, I'm sorry guys, so it's true though. You think I'm lying? This is what I'm saying now. You say that in social media. It's happening in Edo state though. It's true though. Our net don't know. You know they happen. Our brother not the fuck our sister. Our sister not the fuck our brother. Igbo people they do am. Am I lying? Hello? So now they here. So make una carry una Korra, una role model. Not my role model. God forbid. It's not my role model. She's even a slave in a white man's hand. How can a girl that a white man is using be my role model? Then swear for me. Igbo people, oh yeah, carry, mona carry they go. Na role model. And I ask they say that kind of Korra is like somebody that they used to do sacrifice. and put in Adanene. 4 junction. It's finished. Now they get me. So, Lolo, leave my sister priceless alone. As I like you, that's why I like priceless. You too, you be Edo, priceless na Edo. So, me all of una respect on ourselves. Stop bringing down your sister or your brother because of a going. Stop it. That's what they do me for KO family. Edo people, especially, they were insulting me. They insulted me. I said, well, I said, make them, me, I know when I go catch them. I know they mind them. When they do me something, I know they mind them. On a very good day, those I'll catch them. They know me well. If I Vionia, they will come, they cry. They know nothing about that's what they do that time. Now remember I said officer, I thought say all these women for Europe. Now that thing, I can't I know I can they pay them back. Oh, Gelidinya, wow. How can you catch me? How can Igbo man catch a dog? Obviously, say. You see this one? If I carry my leg enter Binia Bioga, who you want flog? Igbo no mama. Come on for here. I not go block you. They enjoy. You see, you are covered with Edo blood. As you did, so I wala your wegbere. As you just did, so I miss. So you are okay here. You are 45. We are going to purify you. Have you azo? Yes. Just stay here. Just stay here, Sigbo. They here may we help you. Time. My goodness. Oh, you both divorce Igbo girl. Oh, you both not go fit divorce me. Me go here the target the money where I want take. Ya what any wale. If you not give me, if you both not give me the money, if I wait, you not give me, I'll get out. Now me, you both they make money. They crazy. That Korra husband, he not live on. Now Lao, he not a divorce. That man, they use that get they get the view where they get. Hell, Nigeria wa kongbe. Some of you, the view where they get. Not be all these view where they do saga for those people. Oh no, they can't get 40k view, 60k view, 32k view, 10k view. Not be that one. They are getting million view. Do you know how much is that? Now, you both they take her. Igbo people, una sister the slave for there. Slave. You don't see where they sleep. If I show na my bedroom, I just your trip. Don't worry now. You don't know between a junkie and a normal person? Nonsense and ingredients. So you put her dead. Nigeria. Wait till you know I bet sister go pray. Come on for here. Go and pray. They put her dead. Not be only prayer now, no. Go pray, finish. They do bad. Prayer warriors. That Justin, na lie. Justin is not divorcing. Justin wants more view of Nigerian people. Not only Nigeria. All over the world. That guy is a criminal. He's a junkie. Oh, Chineke me. That guy is a junkie. He's a junkie. He go come out. He's going to come out. He Lily Law Center. Igbo get culture. Now, if Igbo senior brother die, the junior brother go the fuck your wife. You go marry a wife. Lily's Law Center, I just say I love you, I'll block you. Not that comment again. I tell you the truth. For those states, person that brother go die. The junior brother come they fuck the woman. They go the two of them on your gum. Agua. Don your gum. Yes, so she come from Delta State. Now she know. Say to all people wanna say una marry Oyibo. Una not get sense, so you cannot get rest of mind. Una not get sense. Igbo people, eh? If they follow you laugh, not they do their minds. If they say good morning, you're not in the afternoon. If they say afternoon, these people, na computer, now they face. Na computer, now they use them. Na computer, be their life. You can't say, me can't love that kind of person. Say that my husband. Me don't die now. Hey, mamia. Okay, what time me no water? They not the even the talk say, they not the year I beg. Oyibo, you can never beg Oyibo man or Oyibo woman. Say, please now. Not be Oyibo woman born Igbo brother also now. Not because na Igbo brother or I don't know. Not be Igbo, na Nigeria brother. We don't know the boy tribe. Oyibo woman for Australia. He born now to arches. Now they fear. Now they fear. See, if that man not continue with Korra, it's going to be the best thing for that girl. Because that girl is suffering in that man's hand. You call that, una they say that on a marriage. Hey, these people, they don't understand anything. Me, I'm praying for them not to come again, come back. Me, I pray, me that man, not ever can't settle with that girl again, if not truth. So that make that girl, make her body come out. So that make she stop living a junkie life. She's living a junkie life. That girl is making a whole lot of, she go sing. She go dance. She go open toto for grand. She go wear all her pants. Oh! Ebo wa mugo pa. Wa mugo pa. Do you have problems? Na problem na they kill you Christiana. Ozo. Na what you eh? Olawa. Awa igbowa. You see, I they tell you say when they talk to Edo people, make it but not the comments. I don't like her. Your comment is abomination. Una too they get abomination. Now so abomination I for body. Your comments are war in my body. You don't know Mary Edoso. I know I don't like Oyibo, but Igbo people I like una. I like una well. But you, I don't want not insult me. If you insult me, bang, you are finished. How you cut all of una? I know to say I like una again. They hear me so. See all this one. That ye lolo way not good. Ekwe mwe lolo. As your toto big rich, if you open a for us, me fucker. He can't do video call with us for inside bedroom. Because they bring tongue come out. How old are you? 70 years old, my lolo. Now you be. You're the shame. Nothing. When I was gonna you not go enter Edoland again because before you go enter Edoland, lolo, you have to do cleansing. You must do cleansing. Okay, like Edoland. Cause now you're more why you do. My goodness. I never do those kind of things before. All my life on social media. I don't do I dey fear myself. I dey shame. Nonsense. May you can't compare anybody with our again. May I catch you. See mad. You even that girl self, if priceless there for your age for Europe, she not do TikTok again. Priceless age you well all over webo. Anyway TikTok. Anyway, I'm in Agbera. Oh where? One time you hire with TikTok. Or I say we work for fun. But you dey find money. My be agbon fear a lolo. Agbon fear when the enemy fear make it. If me I do TikTok or Facebook now for fun. But you own lolo, you want money. Oh, you go la. Oh, we are and the view. You are still comparing yourself. You think you are a human being. Look at this one, oh. You are just nonsense, nothing safe. Look at your palo. Loio, your parlor is very small. Your parlor is not even good. If you see my parlor, hey, it's very wide. My Edos parlor. A war or even, you know what I mean? I don't show off. But if now I get this kind of thing I get for Belgium, hey, I got show. Me, I don't get time, man. You hear so? The man they use Korra, they do social media prostitution, but people not go understand. They not go understand. Hey, sister, sister. Iya vibo ni mama. Gia lotin sister ki honse. So far obiedo. Ni a lueva nyon they don't get. She don't dey shame. She dey call priceless for your stuff the con na. A priceless no what day. When mo dey priceless agare age we webo. Hang out what those things we fun. Yes, because priceless age where webo a lolo. Eh? Although ya all in the fuck eh. Hey, you are a fool. Where my dear? I'm priceless I Enogie. Eh? All this marriage when I take the popona. Then they do marriage you know say that money is free. It's free for una. What it be marriage now understanding. So you and your man go dey house now go understand each other. Una go dey play game with your children. Now be marriage. Say me you can't go see my family, see family. All those one I say money don't dey. You just want to give family food. Okay? Now they hear me. Where's the lolo eh? Onyamiri. Una no say people not get forbidden. Now make lolo us fuck am. Our way. Our way. Lolo now say fuck me way. That's my waruwa. Nonsense and English. You see your life? When you know say you get things like this, you come out. You say Korra better pass your sister. You say Korra better pass your sister. A lolo. We are there. Korra need the help. Korra need help. Do you hear me? Korra need help. Because you don't have sense. You will not see that girl needs help. You can't be saying now let me Edos they see everything for media. Yeah, she don't jealous again. Don't they even they see waiting that they see. If I talk, don't say I go. You see the jealous people. Why go jealous that kind of person? Wait, be say I bed not even good. Are you okay? Are you okay? Jealous person where you make gang like that. Hey ma wow. Hey ma not be me now. All those mess for them they talk say Korra whether they would they do so for her. They be fool. Toto way dry like that we make bang. All these men and not guessing. Toto we make walk na good. Boy Korra no get 1 year wa. He only credit book. Oh wanna hear. But me I talk to I like the way she dey dance. But it to say she not the naked I for like her. But then Atamata, Korra, I like the way you dance. You dance very good. But can you just wear clothes? Can you just dress for us? Eh? Not my lolo. Whether me I not care waiting lolo be. Whether the saga themselves, not concern me. Saga yourself, eh? But not just come say, hey, that is girl better pass this Edo woman. Wagbe aha ma we. Ohun ebo bi Edo ime edema iye ta woma. O ma de kan lolo. Ohun ebo bi Edo ni edema iwoma. Yoni ewoma awo na meroji. You get me? Ozuo. If I said that the pursue they come from outside, eh? Now your state, your tribe, now go rescue you. Now true that they talk. Now your state. Now your tribe, your country people, tribe. Now then go say, hey, why be monteme wow? Why be monteme wow? Obi gbe to te. Awa all leg. All leg. Huh? I just tired for these people. Gosh. Please, oh, Lolo. Talk well, Mumu. Talk well. Ozuo. Because Korra get 40k view. Enogie girlfriend priceless get 100k view abi 1k view. You can't say na bush. Unu we me Ozuo. How many k you dey see? Ma be agbon wugi na we na. Why you go collect the view from Korra? Na baka. I don't know what je dede na what talk. Ekwe mwe. How many years you dey Europe? Mumu. Yeah, woman. I don't hate you. You know, say me I like all of una. But you say Edo woman no good. You say Edo woman bush. Now make me come insult you. Not talking again. Do you hear me so? Not talking again. Even though say you say me Edos, go cigar, it don't concern me. Me not get anything where they lack. I go just watch the video come out there. I all laugh. My dear, I not get nothing where they lack. Now. Wa mi on social media wa be mi pada e. Wa hem nu wa lock here me media. E me Edos igba le mi okpa here. E talo na wa je. Ya wa telephone ya catch phone. Ya wa telephone fe ko fi fe ko la wa. Una o. Na money una dey find view. Oh God. Hey, the other one. My own. I go your come out. Talk with me. I want talk. Cash fund finish. Enter house. So you don't get anything where you want to marry Edos. Yeah? Nothing where you go say you want to bring me down. You not dey. If you even dey safe, if they play the record, I'll come out for life. I can't talk on the way it be. I can't talk the truth. Yeah, so. Yeah, person. The drug addict I like. Ozuo. Said they are talking about Korra that is a black way marry Oyibo. Now they call marriage. Hey! Black marry Oyibo. You say na marriage. No be me and hey. Egbo mavugba. Don't they fear. You call that a marriage. That one vinyati caricature. Now me they call her white man marry black woman. Caricature. I mean me and una. The ones where they marry Ibona, they listen to me, don't say what she saying, she normal. Now you normal be, you go remember me when time will come. Later for front, not be now. You they go. They enjoy your marriage with Oyibo. Later, you go say, you get one woman where I watch one deal. She talk this you. Oyibo, they must show you who they are on a very good day. And so we say, now bye. Don't leave now. Don't talk rich.